AGAMBITHANIA BATHATU baraba KUTHIKIIRA GAMBA aria KURIGIRIA kunyitho MUUMA kwa KITHURE KINDIKI kuikia giti MUNINI wa RAIS ibataniritie WAMURI bo KOTI ya KIRINYAGA bo KURIGIRIA Profesa KITHURE KINDIKI kunyo MUUMA bori kumania ne rombaria munene wa watho Dorcas Oduora rerethiritie kiromba KOTI GUTEJANIRIA WAMURI bona gwitikiria MUNINI mweru wa RAIS kunyo MUUMA nyuma ya Gachagua kwebelwa Gachagua ethirite agita KOTI na KOTI jiricha cheruta watho okurigiria kunyitho MUUMA kwa KITHURE KINDIKI urene ndio ethirite chalwani RAIS na gukuru kwa kinyane mbunge kukia kanya kakie bakithomo wa muripo wa AGAMBITHANIA baba ugite guti muntu ongiomba kukia ngugiche MUNINI wa RAIS na kugiti unende gitiomba gukarotheri kuringana na katiba igamba riri kathikirwa kairi tariki 7 mweri yoyite.
Under the current constitutional framework, when the office of the deputy president becomes vacant, two outcomes flow. First, any functions that were assigned to the deputy president by the president automatically reverts to the president. Second, the functions expressly conferred upon the deputy president by the constitution do not revert to the president and cannot be performed by anyone else. Therefore, if the deputy president is vacant, the specific constitutional functions assigned to that office remain unfulfilled. For clarity, not even the Speaker of the National Assembly may discharge the functions vested in the deputy president under Articles 147, Sub-Article 2 of the Constitution. In light of the above, we are convinced and hereby find that the current constitutional framework does not envision any scenario in which the office of the deputy president will remain vacant except during the brief period required to fill such a vacancy. For these reasons, we take the position that the Constitution must remain fully operational at all times and no court order should have the effect of rendering any part of it inoperative or dormant.
Consequently, the following orders are hereby issued. 1. The applications for conservatory orders are hereby disallowed. 2. The conservatory orders issued on 18th of October 2024 in Karigoya High Court E015/2024 are hereby discharged and or set aside. We will mention this matter on 7th of November 2024 at 2 p.m. in the open court. This ruling shall forthwith be uploaded in the court tracking system. That is the ruling of the court.